Hi, everybody. Happy Juneteenth. No school this evening. No class. Tonight is Monday, June 20th. There is no school, no class at 5:30 tonight. So no face-to-face class this week. So please don't show up to campus this evening. All right. With that said, week 3 ends today, and then we're going to begin week 4. And so this video serves as an overview for week 4. Before we get into week 4, I just want to remind you about week 3. Some things that you want to finish up today if you haven't done it already. So let's real quick look at the assignments. If you weren't in class last week, you want to do the Barbie Bungee assignment for those that were not here. If you were here, don't worry about it because you're going to get credit for it. You want to choose your data set in our Guru and turn that into me for approval. We're going to start our project working on it in week 5. So you want to get that approval prior to then. So you want to make sure you turn it in tonight so that I have time to review everybody's data sets before next week. There is an Our Guru workshop, 5 number summary, outliers, and box plots. You do use Our Guru for it. There's an Honor Lock practice exam. It'll take you all of, a minute to complete the actual exam. The setup may take you a little bit longer, but this is important because we will be taking some of our tests using HonorLock. I had hoped to use HonorLock for all 3 exams, but I think that I'm just going to do 2 exams. So you want to make sure that you get HonorLock straightened out before we take the first exam that it requires it. Also, this coming week we have test 1, so I posted a review for you to review for the test. So those are things that you want to make sure that you have done before you start week 4. Also, there's all of these homework assignments in Newton also. Okay. All right. So going back to week 4, the folder is open. You can see our agenda here. You can see there's no face-to-face class tonight because it is a holiday. It is Juneteenth. The assignments this week, I don't have many, okay? And that is because we're taking a test this week. So the only assignments outside of homework, now there's still homework assignments, all right? I can't forgo those just because if I do, then we won't finish everything. But I do want you to spend time reviewing for the test and taking your test. And then we have then we're learning new material as well. So I think it'd be good if you could take the test earlier in the week, and that gives you time to view all the materials you need for these chapter 3 homeworks. Other than that, I mean, there are some videos you need to watch, and I guess I need to put those videos, I need to type them into the assignments because I think I normally do that for you guys to let you know which videos you need to watch. But the point is, as far as anything to turn in, the only thing that you're turning in to me is the test and the work where you're showing your work and giving explanations for each of your questions for the test. So I always have the readings so you can get extra information, supplement what you're learning through the videos with the readings. Week 4 videos and lectures, you can see I've got the folder for the blank notes and the filled in notes as usual. If you click on the videos, here are the videos you need to watch. So these are not on the test. This is new material. So this is coming after the material for the test, which is chapters 1, 2, and 12. So we're learning probability. So we're kind of switching gears here. So there's probability, basic concepts. There's 2 videos there, probably around 15 minutes each. We're learning probability, the addition rule and rule of complements. So this one has 2 videos as well. And then there's multiplication rule and conditional probabilities. That's 2 videos as well. So I'm thinking at most an hour and a half worth of videos. So you want to watch those and take notes. Again, this is new material that comes after the test. Okay. All right. So outside of watching videos, again, the assignments that you have are just to review for the test. All right. So you can click here and you can review and then take the test. So I have a folder for the test. So let's look at the instructions. I said test 1 will be posted in this folder. Once you open it, you have 2 hours to take it. In order to get credit for this test, you must show your work. How do you show and turn in your work? Follow the directions below. So you're going to either take a sheet of paper or a document, and you're going to number it 1 through 20. And for each question on the test, there's 20, you're going to give an explanation, show your work, write out steps, or provide screenshots. Anything that you need to do to show me how you arrived at your answer. So if it's a question about vocabulary, you just might need to write an explanation. If it's a problem that uses a formula such as z-scores, for that you'd want to show work. If it's something you can use our guru to find, such as or Desmos, such as the linear regression equation, or find mean, median, mode, 5-number summary, box plots, all of that you can use our guru for. You can do screenshots. You can also write out steps if you want to, but screenshots work as well. Anyway, so you're going to have work or explanations or screenshots, as I said, for each question. Each question has to have something. And so then once you finish the test, you have to upload the work in the link provided. It's a Dropbox type link. And you can upload a combination of documents, scanned copies of your work, pictures of your work. And like I said, you can upload a combination because you can upload multiple files at one time. And so if you don't show your work or give explanations, you're not going to receive credit. Okay, so make sure that you turn that in. That's very, very important. I'm going to manually grade the test. And if you notice this little blurb I have here at the bottom here, it says, please make sure the work you show is your own. You're limited to the use of formulas and methods that we went over in class or that I use in the videos. And you may use your notes. And I say this just because I want to make sure that you are the person doing the work. There are plenty of places that you can go and you can find someone else to do your work. And that's not the point of you being in this class. The point of you being in this class is to learn statistics. The point of you being in this class is to see that you are capable. You can do this. So I don't want to see somebody else's work. I want to see yours. I want to see that you understand it, and you'll feel much better for that. When you go online and maybe find other people to do these things for you, and again, not that anybody would do that, but I just want to be real here and, let you know that I am aware that there are issues with cheating that do happen. They happen every semester. But if you go out there and you find someone that's going to work these problems for you, a lot of times they're going to use another method, and it's going to be very obvious to me that you are not turning in your work, which is why I give the stipulation that you need to make sure you're using the methods we learned in class. Okay, so no crazy formulas that I didn't show you. All right, there are formulas for a lot of what we're doing, but we are learning this using technology, so you should be using our guru for that, or Desmos. And again, Desmos there is a Desmos calculator in our guru. All right, so the testing window opens tomorrow, Tuesday at midnight, so actually tonight at midnight, and then it closes Monday, June 27th at 5:30, so the start of our next face-to-face class. So you want to make sure you start your test within that window. Once you start the test, I believe you have 2 hours. 2 hours, so make sure that you don't start the test until you have 2 hours set that you can spend doing the test. And like I said, you are allowed to use your notes, so have those ready. I'm going to click on this folder and just show you that when you're ready to start the test, this is the link that I'm hovering over that you click on. And when you're ready to turn in your work, there's a link here below the test, so you click on it and you scroll down, and then you hit browse local files, and then you can upload multiple files to submit to me that show your work. Okay, outside of the assignments, we have obviously our homeworks, and all of the homeworks have to do with probability. So those videos, the basic probability, the addition rule, multiplication rule, those 3 videos, that's what this homework is based off of. If you have questions about the homework, definitely let me know. But that's what we are doing this week. So that is all that I have for you. Other than just make sure, like, if you have questions, please make sure you're posting them. Oh, and the STEM Center is open. It is, I believe, on the 2nd floor of Langenor Hall, and that's the library building. And they have tutors there. I'll post the times for you guys. They're there Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And they know how to do all of this stuff. So you can go in and get their help in person if your schedule allows. If your schedule doesn't work with theirs, you can also make an appointment with some of the STEM Center tutors online, and they have times from 10 a.m. Until I believe it's 9 p.m. available, Monday through Saturday. The only day they don't tutor is Sunday. So I just want to throw that out there to let you know there are places to get help in addition to posting these questions on the Padlet wall. Okay, so if you have questions this week, please let me know. But enjoy your evening off. All right, see you later.